sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you some code that we can make a buzzer speaker hooked up to the Raspberry Pi make noise. So I have a little speaker hooked up to the Pi, which I'll throw a link in the description to my website for pictures of it and all the code information. But I have the ground going to ground and the positive coming off the speaker going to GPIO 17. Now you could use like GPIO 4 or whatever you may feel like that are available. So if we just take a look here at some of our code here, make sure I pull up the right one. Now this is a bunch because this script here does a good bit of stuff. It asks you for the pitch and how many seconds you want it to go on for. So let's run it. So now it's going to ask between 200 and 2,000. So we'll just go 600. And how long? We'll go 2 seconds. All right, so it's going to ask you again. We could just do a simple Control-C to stop that guy. All right, so now let's go on to our other one here. And this one here is a pretty big one. It does multiple different sounds, and it plays some melodies and some songs. So we can exit out of that guy, clear that, and let's go ahead and play this. And as you can see, it's playing the final countdown. Then once that's done, it'll move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Then we can hit Control-C to stop it. So, like I said, it's pretty simple to do. Nice beginner project. Just take a simple little speaker. The speaker I'm using is actually speakers that you can use for your for a computer motherboard. So you can hear the beeps when the computer first starts up and goes into the BIOS. So other than that, it's pretty straightforward. And like I said, I'll throw a link in the description for the code so you guys can use, and it'll be there. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.